let's get this battery changed. I'll show you what tools you need and how to do it. So let's get to it. All right, here's the battery. It's a Kirkland battery, H7. It's 790. Let that focus in there. Cold cranking amps, okay. And I think it's almost, yeah, so it's 985 at zero, 985 at zero, and then 790 at minus 17. And it's better than what came with the Suburban. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remove this sway brace. Okay, so there's going to be 1, 2, and a bolt, right down there that's holding that bracket to the battery cable tray. Okay, then you got to take that bolt out that holds the battery down. Okay, so you're gonna need a ratchet, an extension, and a 13mm socket. Okay, so let's get that sway brace off. All right, we'll get this bolt out. Get this bolt and the one down there. Okay. Scratch the paint. Okay, so we got that brace out of the way. Okay, for bolting. Okay, so we got the sway brace out of the way. Now you're going to need a 10mm socket, and we'll start with the negative post. Okay, don't take it all the way off. I'll grab it and try and, will it come off? Wiggle it off. Get it out. No, slide it under that cable and out of the way. Alright. Okay. Looks like this clamps over top the battery. Right. Got it? Okay, so let's go do it there. We're going to loosen a bolt on this radiator thing here. It's another 10mm. And there's a little, because I think we need a little more room here to get this battery out. I don't know who would have took the handle off, unless you need to take the handle off, but all right. So we did need to loosen that. And there's the old beast out. 720, so this new battery is 70 cranking amps more. And it's got the same amp hours. Okay, so we found the date. It was made in March of 2014. So it's 6.5 years old. Hopefully it goes in. Okay. You know what I think? I think they took the handle off because they were having problems putting it in. I don't know if that was from the factory or... It's just this little lip on this.
Can't you file it off?
No. All right, we got it in. We had to loosen this right down there. So we're gonna put that back on. Okay, these plastic tanks and stuff, you don't want to tighten them too much. You'll crack them. That's good. We can always come back and snug it up a little more later. Just a second. Don't put that on yet. I'm gonna make sure this. Okay, that's locked down. Okay, look what happened. You see that? The negative. Gotta be careful so we don't
touch the tube.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't be good for a brand new battery. So let's put this over here. Okay, put that up. Can you feel it? I just want to feel it. Okay, that feels pretty good.
Don't we have to put this on?
Yeah, we'll get this all connected, then we'll put that on, okay? Because we want to get it all. So grab this cover. No. Grab this cover, let's put that back on. Because look, these are all the different things it's going to, right? It's all in the right spot. Was this the way it was on?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that's probably why. Make sure that side's clicked in.
Yeah.
No. Sometimes you just gotta give them a little butt slap.
What? It sparked.
Well, yeah, it will. Just don't touch the vehicle and put it on.
Did I put it in?
What? Yeah, that long piece needs to go against the battery and hold it down. Alright, now we're gonna put the sway bar back on. Alright, we're almost done. So you remember how this went?
Mm-hmm.
Went down. Look, get up here and look. Get up on the ladder. And in. And under, just like that, okay? And then this thing went around. It's a little cable type of thing, okay? Alright. Alright, get those all in snug, and then once they're all in snug, you can tighten them down, okay? Okay, wait on that one. Stop. Get this one in the bottom. Remember, don't drop it. Almost done. An hour of shop. Taking it to a shop and having them do it. Ooh, did you hear how quick that was?
Yeah.
Before it was right here like wow, hey?
Yeah.
Owner's manual, let's write down their new battery, okay? Alright. We hope you liked the video and hopefully it helps you save some money by doing it yourself, because that's always what counts, saving money. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.